Okay, Milliger fans, this is super exciting, brand new workshop. We just added this, and I don't want you to miss it because it's only 1 week away. So this is next Saturday, that's March 8th, and we love having workshops on Saturdays because it's so fun to come in here, hang out, spend the day with us. And so this is the workshop. Hopefully you can see it. And you could, this bunny you can take in and out, so it could just be a spring arrangement and then have the bunny in for spring, for Easter, whatever you want to do, but you've got a lot of versatility here, and beautiful spring colors in this gorgeous little container. This is going to be $49.99, and you get to come, you get all the materials, the education, the mimosas to get the creative juices flowing. This is going to be at 10 a.m. at our Racine store and then 2 p.m. at our Sturtevant store. How do you guys like that? Isn't that cool? So we're doing it both stores, different times on the same day. So don't miss this. I linked up our events page so that you can see all the workshops where you can get your tickets. But this is really fun, and people love the design workshops because this is something that you created and you made. Yes, we help you with the design materials and with placement, but you're always learning here at Milliger's, right? And so this is something you can say that you actually made, you created. It's really fun to be able to do with girlfriends or family, whoever's coming in, to do this together, spend the day here at Milliger's. But it's at a really great price. It's $49.99, and again, it comes in this nice container with this little bunny, which is so cute, and then all these gorgeous flowers are in here too. So something new, something fun. People are always looking for what is the next design workshop that we're doing, because again, it's so great to come and create something that you made. So again, this is going to be on March 8th. Racine store is going to be at 10 a.m. Sturtevant store is at 2 p.m. A guaranteed great experience. Everyone loves the design workshops, and I can't wait to see what you think and to see what you create. It is funny, like, this is the template, right? But everyone's arrangement is just a little bit different because you're creating it, you're making it, which is really cool. So our expert design team is going to be here to guide you through this experience, but you're going to love it. And so this is the first of our, oh, thanks for the heart. I love that. This is the first of our spring series, and we'll continue. Watch our website because we are cranking out the workshops, you guys. There are so many workshops that are headed your way, some new and fun things that we're working on. So be sure to check that probably twice a week at least, because there's always new things coming out, and we can't wait to be out and enjoying spring with you. So many great workshops, and I guess, like I said, something always fun is happening here at Milliger's. We can't wait to see you soon.